This is Mohit here from GSM. This is our event NIPL T20 Season 4. This year our title sponsor was Kumbat Holograms. The motive of this event is that we want to create a platform for all the passionate young cricketers coming around to play competitive cricket and give them a platform to go ahead in their careers. So we have been doing this for the last 4 years and wish to do this for the coming years. This is Mohit from Grand Sports Events and Management.
Hello, myself Mayank. I'm representative of Ganga Motors. We are authorized dealer of Piaggio three-wheeler products in our Chennai and Tiruvallur. We have sponsored Kumbat Holograms NIPL T20 Season 4 because we are looking for a particular cargo segment volume business over here. There are many industries-oriented people and wholesalers, retailers, many require the cargo facility. So we provide end-to-end solution for your cargo and passenger vehicles. You can blindly trust us as Piaggio is number one dealers in South when it comes to diesel products. So one stop for all your three-wheeler solutions. Thank you.
Because it's the fourth season and I think the sponsors, especially during COVID, they've still backed the organizers. So that's a big thank you to them because it's difficult times for everyone. And I think the organizers have organized a brilliant tournament at such difficult times also. Brilliant grounds. The food quality is also amazing. We have a physio. So, it was a great tournament. We always look forward this time of the year. This year the tournament got a little postponed because of the COVID. But we all look forward to this one tournament. Why? Because it's all the hype, the adrenaline, the rush of the auction and bidding against our own players and my own team players playing the other teams. So it's always a good competition, healthy competition. We're always here to play good cricket. And I think the quality of cricket is just increasing with every season. So yeah, brilliant. Thanks to the organizers and the sponsors.
First of all, thanks to organizers, Mr. Mohit and Nikhil. It was a great tournament. Everyone was very great. Thank you to our captains, our owners. Thank you. It was a great tournament. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Sharanya from Aura Wellness. We've been running a clinic in Kilpauk for past 5 years, and it's been a kind of wellness center and a neuro-specified center. And we've been taking care of sports people, and we do have a lot of other services like massage, and we do have a geriatric rehabilitation, and we do have acupuncture, and we do providing a sports-specified fitness. Like we make a lot of sports people. And we'll be concentrating more on geriatric rehabilitation as well as pediatric rehabilitation. And we've been part with GSM for the physio partner for this NIPL. And it has been for 6 to 8 weeks. We've been a partner and we've been treating a lot of people. And especially Pratik is a person who really got injury in his groin in the 4th week, and we've been getting out from injury, and he's the person who the winning team was his team, and he's the main player, and we've been very happy that we've been able to cure a captain, and because of our services he been winning this NIPL, so it was a very proud moment for us. And about GSM, it's like a very good organization because we've been part with many other teams. The way they organize and the way they support from the beginning to end was really awesome. And we've been to have a long relationship with GSM in a future projects too. Thank you.